Hello students, today I am going to explain you the division of polynomials. So already you have learned division of numbers, or you can say real numbers, using Euclid's division algorithm. So same algorithm you have to apply here. So already you have learned, so it becomes easy for you. So let us start. If p of x and g of x are two polynomials, because as we know for division there should be at least two numbers. So like that there are two polynomials with g of x is not equals to 0, then we find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x will be equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here you can see that like division algorithm for numbers, this is dividend, this is divisor, q of x is quotient and r of x is remainder. Then here remember degree of remainder will be always less than the degree of g of x. It means what? You will go on dividing the polynomials till you will get what? Degree of remainder is less than degree of g of x. When degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor, you have to stop division. So where we are going to use this division algorithm is used to find the factors of polynomials. Remember, if at least one of its factors is given, it means what? If they are given polynomial and they are given one factor, that polynomial will become dividend and that factor will become, the given factor will become divisor. The quotient will give you the remaining factors. It is used to find the zeros of polynomial. As we know, once we get the factors, we can find the zeros of given polynomial. So let us start. Find the quotient and remainder on dividing 6x cube plus 13x square plus x minus 2 by 2x plus 1. So I have done here arrangement. Let us start. So remember, in usual division also what we'll do? We'll try to eliminate the first term using this divisor. So same here you have to do first term of divisor and first term of dividend. Focus on these two. So we have to get here what? Using this 2x. Only 2x, remember. You have to get what? 6x cube. So how to get? You have to multiply suitable variable or quotient with 2x to get 6x cube. So 2x into how much is 6x cube? You have to think. And 2 into how much is 6? 3. So that multiplication you are going to write here. You have to multiply something with this. So 2 3s are 6. Again x, you have to get what? X cube. So with this x you have to multiply x square. So you have done arrangement. So don't think about all other terms, just focus on first term. So 2x into 3x square will give you the 6x cube. So 2 3s are 6. X into x square is x cube. And remaining term also you have to multiply with this quotient. 1 into 3x is 3x square. Suppose in second term you are not getting x square, you are getting x variable. Then you have to write that x variable term with x here. So here we have only two terms, so we'll get here two terms. So you have to subtract, as you know in division we'll subtract the second row. So just here change the sign, you'll get the subtraction. Plus sign will become minus, plus sign will become minus. So 6x cube minus 6x cube will get cancelled. 13x square minus 3x square. You know the subtraction of terms. So 13 minus 3 is 10. Sign a bigger digit, that is plus x square. And these remaining terms will take as it is. Next you have to focus on eliminating 10x square using this 2x. So we have to get 10 here. So you are going to multiply 2 with what? 2 5s are 10. Next x into how much x square? X into x is x square. And here sign is plus, even it has plus sign. So it will get what? Plus sign. So even signs should be same here. Remember, 2 5s are 10. X into x is x square. You know multiplication of algebraic expressions. 1 into 5x is 5x. Subtract this. Just change the sign. Plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. This will get cancelled. 10x square minus 10x square 0. Here plus x minus 5x will be what? Minus 4x. Next minus 2 will come as it is. Now here we have to divide this till we get what? Degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. Degree is same, so you can further divide it. So here we want 4. We have 2. So 2 2s are 4. We already have x here. No need to multiply anything. But here we have minus sign. Here we have plus sign. So plus minus will become minus. So you have to write minus. 2 2s are 4. Plus minus is minus into x. 1 2s are 2. That is minus 2. Just change the sign of second row. Plus plus. Minus 4x plus 4x will be 0. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. So here remainder is 0. Degree is less than the divisor. You have to stop. So here quotient is and remainder is. So remember, when you get remainder as 0, it means what? This is what factor of this polynomial. Remember, sometimes you will get examples that check whether given polynomial is factor of another polynomial or not. Suppose you are getting, after dividing 2x plus 1, with this, if you are getting 0, it means what? This is a factor, and even this quotient is also factor of this polynomial. So already one factor they given, then from remaining this quotient you can get 2 more factors. Why? Because total factor of this cubic polynomial will be what? 3. Because the degree is 3, we'll get what? 3 factors. 1 from this and 2 more from this. So let us move to the next example. So next example is divide this polynomial. I wrote here as a dividend by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. So remember, concentrate on this and this. So by multiplying this 3x square with something, you have to get this. And this quotient term will be, we are going to multiply with remaining. So first we'll see about this. So 2 into how much will be 6? Sorry, 3 into how much will be 6? 3 2s are. Next, x square into how much will be x raised to 4? X square into x square. So you got this term. So start multiplying this. Now you have to multiply each term of divisor with this quotient. So 3x square into 2x square is 6x raised to 4. 4x into 2x square. First of all, you have to multiply the quotient. 4 2s are 8. X into x square is x cube. Both having plus plus sign. So plus. Then 1 into 2x square is 2x square. Subtract this. Just change the sign of second row. Minus, minus, minus. 6x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4 will be 0. So 8x cube minus x cube will be 0. Sometimes 2 terms get 0. Will cancel. So but you have to concentrate on this. Then 17x square minus 2x square will be 15x square. Then these 2 terms you are going to take as it is. Next you have to eliminate this 15x square. 3 into how much is 15? 3 5s are 15. X square, already x square is there, so no need to multiply anything. So 3 5s are 15 and x square will be as it is. Plus sign we have to give because it has plus sign. Next 4x into 5. 4 5s are 20 and x will be as it is. All are in plus sign, so no need to think about sign. 1 into 5 is 5. Then change the sign. 15x square minus 15x square will get cancelled. 21x minus 20x will be 1x. No need to write 1. 7 minus 5 will be plus 2. Now here you can't divide this further because here we got what? Degree of remainder is less than. Degree is 1 and degree is here 2. When the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor, you have to stop division. And here you can see that first we'll write the quotients. Quotient is 2x square plus 5 and remainder is x plus 2. And here, as I told you in previous example, suppose you are not getting remainder as 0, it means what? This polynomial is not factor of this polynomial. You can divide this polynomial with any polynomial, but if remainder is not 0, other than 0 means it is not a factor, and even this quotient is not factor of this polynomial. This kind of examples are there in exercise. you can solve this. If you like this video, if you understood the concept, then like and subscribe my channel.